What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're doing a little something different. We're working on my friend Brian's car here. What up, sir? You see here, you see the imprints of some anime bitches. I don't really know how I can say that, but some anime women. And we're gonna take the vinyl off because he wants to show them off again, but hopefully we could save them. I don't know, because with the hood and the engine heating up the wrap and then cooling down, heating it up, I don't know how that's gonna work. But what he really wants to take it off for is all the scuff marks from what was it, Angie, whatever scuffed it.
Oh yeah.
Angie scuffed it, so yeah, that's okay. We're just gonna attempt. Yeah, we still love it. Oh, tripped. But got the heat gun, and we're gonna do our best to take this off as clean as possible without taking the anime grills off and without leaving a lot of residue. But if we do leave a lot of residue, I have stuff to take it off. So I guess I'll set you guys up and we can start. And just like that, here are anime titties. You guys know, Japanese like to voluptuate their women, I guess you would say. But no, yeah. Now the only thing that's black is your roof, and then front bumper, it's in the works. It's just wait on it because we're yeah. He has a little project he's doing with a front bumper, so stay tuned for that because
You're gonna be touching it a lot, so
yeah. No, we're gonna do a video cleaning up the car and everything, so in a review basically. But do you want me to buff your one headlight?
If you want, you can show them how to stop.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's safe or not.
I mean, what I'm afraid of is that some of this stuff might be inside. But did you have angry eyes?
I had angry eyes.
Okay.
Life, yeah.
So that's probably savable, and then this sticker right here might have to go.
That's okay. I can always ask, Mr. Chick.
Yeah, for sure.
Who made that, so.
For sure. So, sorry, little buddy. I know you're sleeping, but you're about to die. There you go. That's the finished product. Usually I could get these pretty clear. This one's a little hazy still, so I might off camera hit it up again. This is I think this headlight has been on the car for majority of its life, and this one is literally brand new, so can't complain. So it is what it is. All right, guys, so it's the next day. Last night we just ended off doing Brian's headlight and hood, taking the wrap off of that. That was super quick. Then we just chilled for a little bit and then we left. But today I got spaces for the rear just because the stock 350Zs are pretty sunken and I don't want to be in a sunken place no more. These are 17x7, so they're pretty weak. So I got spacers by my friend Andrew, who's also in Street Juke. Instagram will be right here. We're gonna put them on. They're 25 mils, I believe. So it's definitely gonna make them poke out a little bit more, but I definitely can't wait until I get some hot boy wheels for this car, or just better spec wheels, and you know, I'll be looking good. So then, you know, these could be some drift spares, and then those could be drift spares too. But no, for sure. Let me just set you guys up, and then I could definitely take these off and put the spacers on. All right, guys, so as you can see, the car's now inside the shop because it fucking started raining like a motherfucker, so gotta do it inside the shop. I need to give myself one of these. Vans. So tiny. Okay. Good so far. Spacers.
goddamn Nissans. The fucking center range thing is fucking too big for these spacers. And that's been my problem this whole entire time of getting spacers, bro. God damn it. Well, that was a fail. Alright, so the spacers didn't end up working, so I gotta figure something out. Either buy some or just buy some. But Andrew also gave me some GS headlights for his car so I could buff them out. Just because you can see they're super foggy, super oxidized. And it's just obviously, you know, headlights super easy for me to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna set you guys up just like yesterday and watch me sand and buff them.